Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to download Roblox to your PC or laptop. First, open the browser and type roblox.com/download. I will also add this link to the description of the video. Press enter. Download the Roblox installation file by clicking where I indicated with the arrow. As you can see, the installation file has been downloaded. Click it to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to finish. As you can see, the installation process is complete and Roblox has automatically opened. If you found the guide video on how to download Roblox on PC or laptop helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slaya channel and like the video.